1. Mix a mild soap solution. Pour a moderate amount of warm water into a clean bucket or container, then add about 2 teaspoons of gentle dish soap and stir until fully dissolved. The solution should be light and diluted to clean the leather without damage. Avoid using too much soap, as it can dry out, fade, or discolor the leather. 2. Dampen a soft cloth or sponge, dip it into the solution and wring it out well until it is only slightly damp. It shouldn't be too wet, as excess water can soak into the leather and cause damage. Use a soft cloth like microfiber, preferably white or light colored, to prevent color transfer. 3. Wipe the jacket surface. Gently wipe using long, even strokes instead of scrubbing to avoid scratching the leather. Focus on dirty, oily, or discolored areas, but clean the entire jacket for an even result. Re-wet and wring out the cloth as needed. 4. Remove soap and dry. Use another clean cloth dampened with plain water to wipe off any soap residue. Then pat dry with a dry towel to absorb moisture. Hang the jacket in a well-ventilated area to air dry, avoiding direct sunlight or heat sources like dryers, which can damage the leather.